Hey guys, it's Ella with Itsy Photography here. I just wanted to show you something that made my life a lot more simple with cake smashes, is cleaning up the mess. So before I used to do this, I'd get my wipies or my paper towels or rags, and I would try and get it all up like this. So if you come in close, you can see how ineffective it is. It doesn't work, right? It takes forever and about 1 million of these. So instead, you buy this couple bucks from Amazon. It's like a cake smoother. So come on close and just watch how easy this is. And then the other tip that I wanted to share with you today is this is plexiglass, and I use it with a lot of my cake smashes. It does have a lot of reflectiveness, so you have to be careful with having a really busy backdrop because it reflects the backdrop and makes everything really busy. But if you'll zoom in close, I'm going to show you what I did for my flooring here. So to get a white flooring, I used to use paper, like this roll of paper right there, and I would roll it out, and then I'd have to cut it out into this big shape, and it was a really big fat pain. But now what I do is I use a backdrop. So you just get one of your backdrops and turn it around so it has the white, and put your plexiglass on top.